Hello, children. Welcome to our GK class. I hope you all are fine and safe. Right, children? Okay. Shall we start the session with prayer? All of you sit straight, close your eyes, and start praying. Asatoma Satamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amridam Kamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. All of you slowly open your eyes. Okay, children, in this class we are going to see about your favorite topic, cartoons. So you all are like cartoons, no? So this class we are going to see some popular cartoons. Have you all ready, children? Very good. So cartoons are fun to watch. We should not spend a lot of time watching cartoons. Okay? So we should watch them only after completing all our works. Here are some well-known cartoons for you. So the first one, Chota Bheem. Chota Bheem, a brave, strong and intelligent boy along with his friends, protects the king and the Dholakpur from various evil forces. So Chota Bheem is a main popular character in Chota Bheem cartoon, and it was created by Rajiv Chilaka and is premiered on 2008 in Poho channel. The series is set in the fictional kingdom of Dholakpur, somewhere in rural India. Almost all the children of Dholakpur, a majority of the people as well as Raja Indravarma himself, look up to Bheem for solving to their problem. Isn't it? So he is considered a little guardian of the village and the animal in and around Dholakpur. So what is the favorite food of Chota Bheem? Yes, right. So he love eat laddu most, which is give him energy and make him even stronger than he normally is. So what are the other characters in the Chota Bheem? Mainly Chutki, Jaggu, Kalia, Dolubolu and Raju, and also Raja Indravarma and Ilavarsi Indumadi. So these are the some of the main character in Chota Bheem. So the next one, Motu Patlu. Motu and Patlu are two friends who solve problem in a funny way. Motu gain more energy and strength after eating samosas. So Motu Patlu is an Indian animated television series written by Neeraj Vikram for Nickelodeon channel. It is premiered on 16th October 2012. It focuses on two friends, Motu and Patlu, living in the fictional city Furfuri Nagar. So this story revolves around two friends and their daily activities. The show focuses on the two friends in landing in a trouble and later being resolved by their ideas. Okay, so what are the some other characters in the Motu Patlu are Gasistram, Dr. Jhatka and the Inspector Chingam. So these are the some of the main other characters in Motu Patlu. So they are help to solve the problems for Motu and Patlu. So the next one, Mowgli. Mowgli was found in the jungle by wolves and was raised by them. He is a friend with a bear called Bablu and the black panther called Bagheera, who help him fight Shere Khan the tiger. So Mowgli is a imagined jungle boy who lives in a jungle from his animal friends, and the Mowgli is taken from the Jungle Book. Okay, so the Mowgli cartoon is taken from the Jungle Book, and this Jungle Book is very popular story book for children. So the main character is Balu the bear, one of the Mowgli's mentor and friend, and Bagheera, Black Panther, and he is a mentor and friend and protector for Mowgli, and Akela, the chief and leader of the wolf gang, and Shere Khan is the main villain, and Hardy the elephant. So these are the some of the main characters in the Mowgli cartoons. And in this cartoon, the Mowgli often get himself into the trouble and can't resist himself, animals in danger, or solving other problems. So the Bagheera always giving the trouble to Mowgli and other animals in the jungle. So Mowgli only help them to solve the problems. Okay. So in this session we have seen about Chota Bheem, Motu Patlu, and Mowgli. So your today's homework: paste any 5 cartoon character picture that you like most. Okay? Have you got it? Right. So children, please avoid mobile phone, TV, laptop, or any other gadget item after the session. Drink more water and eat healthy fruits and vegetables. And also stay safe, stay home. Thank you.